The mountains, I become a part of it. The hermitage, I become a part of it. The fields, the marsh, the roads, I become a part of it. This profound sentiment, articulated by Alan Watts, captures a cornerstone of his philosophy, our deep and intrinsic connection to nature. It's a connection that he believed was not just physical, but also spiritual, and it offered profound insight into our place in the cosmos. In the previous chapter, we delved into Watts's critique of modern society and culture, particularly how our ways of living often create a false sense of separation from nature. Building upon this idea, this chapter will explore Watts's philosophy of nature and spirituality, and his belief that true understanding and happiness stem from recognizing our intrinsic connection to the universe. In our modern, fast-paced world, this connection is often overlooked. We are surrounded by concrete jungles and illuminated screens, seemingly detached from the rhythm and cycles of the natural world. We spend our days in temperature-controlled buildings, our nights under artificial lights, and our moments of leisure often involve more screen time. The result? A growing chasm between us and nature. Yet Watts believed that this disconnect was not only detrimental to our well-being, but also deprived us of a valuable resource for spiritual exploration and the search for meaning. To Watts, nature was not just a backdrop for human activity, but a profound teacher, a mirror reflecting our deepest truths, and a guide to understanding the intricate dance of existence. In this chapter, we'll dive into Alan Watts's perspective on our relationship with nature and its implications for our spiritual journey. We'll explore the tension between modern life's demands and the natural world's wisdom, and how we might navigate this delicate balance. Ultimately, we'll discover how, through practical steps, we can rekindle our connection with nature, and in doing so, cultivate a deeper sense of belonging and meaning in our lives. As we embark on this exploration, let's remember another of Watts' insightful observations. Nature is not our enemy, to be raped and conquered. Nature is ourselves, to be cherished and explored. This is not just an invitation to see nature differently, but a call to recognize our place within it and to learn from its wisdom.